Hi friends, let's work in lesson 8-1 for math today. I'm on page 449 in our math books. Make sure to turn to that page, grab your orange folder and your counters. Okay, our I can statement is I can read and write numbers 11 to 19. It says to use counters and 10 frames to show 15, then 12, and then 18. Tell what is the same and different about each number you show. Well, I know that the numbers 15, 12, and 18 all have a group of 10 and some left over. Let's use our counters to make the number 15 first. I know that 15 has at least one group of 10. I know to fill my first 10 frame up with 10 counters. Okay? 15 is 10 and some left over. 10 plus what will give me 15? 10 plus 5. 10 and 5. Let's count. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 10 and 5 left over makes 15. Let's do number 12. 12 is also a group of 10 and some left over. 10 and how many more would you need to make 12? If you said 2 more, good job. Let's count. 10, 11, 12. 10 and 2 more make 12. And the last number is 18. 18 also has a group of 10 and some left over. 10 and how many left over will give us the number 18. If you said 8 more, good work. Let's put 8 counters on our second 10 frame. Okay, remember we're going to count on from 10. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. In the numbers 15, 12, and 18, we counted on from 10 because we know that one full 10 frame is worth 10. So what is the same about the numbers we just showed? Each of one has at least one group of 10. What is different? The ones, or the leftovers, were different. So let's write the numbers on the side here. We showed 15 first, and then 12, and then 18. The numbers in the ones place, which is the digit to the very right, is what is different. We had 5 ones in 15, 2 ones in 12, and 8 ones in 18. But the tens place stayed the same in all 3 numbers. We had one group of 10 in all 3 numbers. Okay, let's turn to the next page. We're going to use counters to make each number. Then we will write each number as 110 and some ones. Okay? For number 1, they asked us to show the number 12. So we're going to write the numeral 12 in the first box and explain how many 10s and 1s are in the number 12. Remember, you can use your 10 frames on your orange folder. Let's show 12. 12 is 110. And 2 left over, 2 ones. So let's write that. 12 is 110 and 2 ones. 10, 11, 12. Let's do number 2 together. Number 2 is the number 14. So let's write that in the first box here. 14 is, again, 110, and how many ones? If you said 4 ones, good job. Let's count on. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14 is 110 and 4 ones. For number 3, it asks us to show the number 15. Let's write that in the box. 15 is also 110 and some left over. 15 is 110 and 5 left over. Let's count on from 10. Ready? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 has 110 and 5 ones. Let's turn to the next page. On page 451, you are going to do the same. Remember to use your orange folder and your 10 frames with your counters. Go ahead and complete the whole page on 451. Can't wait to see your work.